Hi, welcome to Week 12, Chapter 10 on Work and Retirement. This is an interesting chapter. It describes a lot of the trends, a lot of the changes, things that happen as retirement age approaches. There are also a couple of articles that I posted here that you should find interesting. How I became an entrepreneur at 66 and the Gray Army, about aging workers. This is also the week 2 of your living environment project. Last week you discussed it in groups, made a plan. This week you are going to document it and post what you've documented, whether that is a PowerPoint, Google Slides, a web page, a video, make it on your phone. However you decide to do it, the whole group needs to participate. You're working together on this. You're all going to get the same grade. There are no discussions this week. This is it. So this grade will count for double the discussions. If you have any questions, please let me know. And good luck.